up, squad? We are at Clayton Park here in Upper Freehold, New Jersey. First time making a video in a minute. Last time I really went mountain biking here. I came here Tuesday, spotted out. It was fun. But before that was way back in September at, what was that mountain bike park? Wyndham Bike Park. Unfortunately, as y'all probably heard, no more bike park anymore there, but we still have fun, awesome trails. And huge shout out to those who designed and made these trails here at Clayton. Let's go check it out. Clayton Park has a few parking lots. One at the main entrance where we parked on Emily's Hill Road, and two others on Davis Station Road. There are 5 trails here that total about 7 miles. Great for mountain bikers of all skill levels, especially if you're a beginner. Can't recommend a better place. We began on the Green Glen Trail, heading down to Doctor's Creek, going around and then connecting to Old Forge Trail, then heading up to Bridges Trail. Alright, enough of my yapping, let's ride. Green and go down. It's been a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna go towards the green. By the way, we took 2 rides around the park. This is the first of 2.
Make sure you like this video and subscribe.
This is the big field. Doctor's Creek. Sandy! Whoa! Don't go that way! Yeah.
It's a nice place to
Start mountain biking.
start. Just look up there.
Thank you. Drop. Drop. Here comes the climb. Forge Trail. Drop. We are now at the westernmost end of the park. Thank you. This is the fun part. left this time. I'm not sure if this loops around that way. Gonna be a crazy climb. It's gonna be fun coming down though. Left. For our second ride, we went back down the way we came up on Bridges Trail. Went down to Doctor's Creek Trail, then headed to Clayton Fields, back around to Bridges Trail, called it a day. If you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe. Sorry, I feel so sketch. Drop. So much easier coming down. Thank you again. I didn't anticipate the second one. All right, yeah. Let's go down to the left. Thank you. Sand, flies. Land. So that's what that takes you. I was wondering, does it look like that goes anywhere? The two people in suits on the hardtails look like XC riders. Yeah, I'm not sure. The other parking lot is this way. But I don't know if that will take us back around. Let's just look real quick. I don't want to get into anything dense. Yeah. Yeah, it's like not an inch off. I think we go up that way. We go back. Central planning, man. Oh yeah. That concludes our ride at Clayton Park. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. If there's other parks we should check out, please let us know in the comments and we could bring you those videos. It's been a minute due to work and life that I've been unable to get out to mountain bike. Feels great to be back out in the wild. Hope this video inspires you to get out there and mountain bike or whatever activity that you find best.